Hello everyone, this is the video presentation of my project as a part of the ISE 589 Python programming course. In this project, I have attempted to create a recommendation engine to recommend movies, for an existing user as well as a new user. A recommendation engine is a software that analyzes available data to make suggestions for something that a website user might be interested in, such as a book, a video or a job, among other possibilities. The problem statement is, to create a recommendation engine that predicts the likeliness of a user liking a movie, based on past user behavior, and data on movies. The Movie Lens dataset has been used for the purpose of this project. It has been collected by the Group Lens research project at the University of Minnesota. There are broadly two types of recommender engines, content-based and collaborative filtering. Content-based algorithms are strongly based on driving the context of the item. Collaborative filtering algorithm is entirely based on past behavior and not on the context. There are two types of collaborative filtering, user-user and item-item similarity-based collaborative filtering. This project showcases the use of the collaborative filtering algorithm to make predictions of movies an existing user would like. Furthermore, in order to recommend movies to a new user, a model is created to select best picks based on one previously watched movie. One of the features I incorporated is to combine the prediction scores obtained by each of the collaborative filtering techniques to create a hybrid model. Also, a weightage term, alpha, is assigned which can be changed based on the user's preference. I also created an interactive dashboard using a Python's widget functionality, making the process of choosing what to recommend more intuitive. Let me give you a quick demo. Here is the Jupyter notebook for my project. This is divided into various sections of code to make it more readable. Let us see how this works. First, we call the function to run the recommendation. The program asks us to choose the user type. Let's continue with the new user option. Then the user has to enter one previously watched movie from a drop-down of all the movies in the database. Let's go ahead and choose one. After selecting the movie, we get the top 5 movie recommendations most closely matched with the movie selected based on the movie similarity matrix. We can see that on choosing a movie from the Star Wars franchise, it recommends the others too. Next, to check the recommendations for an existing user in our database, we can go ahead change the selection and press recommend. Then, we have to select the user for which the movies need to be predicted. This shows that, for user with ID 6, these are the top 5 movie recommendations. These are the movies the user will most probably like, based on similar users and similar movies. You can change the weight, or the alpha value based on your understanding of how customers behave. Working on this project has been a constant learning process and I will continue to work on this project to make it better. Here are some ways how I am thinking of going about it. First is to take into account the demographics information of users like age, occupation and others into account, and adding movie-specific features like genre into the mix. Another thing I would explore is the matrix factorization techniques, mentioned in multiple papers, to try and better the model. That's it from my side. Thank you very much for taking your time out to listen to the presentation. Have a good day.